बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। शुरू करता हूँ अल्लाह ताला की बाबरकत नाम से जो नहायत मेहरबान और रहम वाला है। मेरे अज़ीज़ दोस्तों और साथियों, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। अल्लाह ताला आप सबको बख़ैर वाफ़ियत रखे और हर किस्म की परेशानियों से महफूज रखे। मैं हूँ इमादुद्दीन, अकाउंट्स ऑफिसर ऑफ अकाउंटेंट जनरल खैबर पख्तूनख्वा। मैं आप सबको अपनी यूट्यूब चैनल एम्प्लॉइज़ हेल्पर में आने पर खुश आमदीद कहता हूँ। अज़ीज़ दोस्तों, आज की वीडियो में हम जिस टॉपिक पर बात करेंगे वो है ड्यूटीज़ एंड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ ऑफ DDO। हु इज़ DDO? DDO कौन होता है, उसकी क्या ड्यूटीज़ एंड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होती है, आगे आने वाले स्लाइड में हम डिटेल में इस पर बहस करेंगे। नंबर 1, The officer authorized by the head of the office department to draw the government money, that is, salary, wages of the employees, non-gazetted, contingent, bills and other claims, etc. from the public account and disburse to the employees, vendor, contractor, actual pays is called a drawing and disbursing officer DDO of that office. Number 2. The DDO plays an important role in the budgetary expenditure and other financial matters at spending level. The drawing and disbursing officer incur expenditure out of the funds allocated to his office. The DDO has to ensure that all the requirements of relevant financial rules, treasury rules, and other instruction orders of the Finance Department, Finance Division are fully complied with. Standard of financial propriety, withdrawal of money from public account. Number 8. Every public officer DDO is expected to exercise the same vigilance in respect of expenditure incurred from public money as a person of an ordinary prudence would exercise in respect of expenditure of his own money. GFR 10.1. No authority should sanction any expenditure for his own advantage. GFR 10.3. No money may be removed from the public account for investment or deposit elsewhere without the consent of the Finance Division Department. GFR 7. No money shall be drawn from the Treasury unless it is required for immediate disbursement. Treasury Rule 290. It is not permissible to draw money from the Treasury in anticipation of demand just to avoid the lapse of funds. Treasury Rule 290. Every officer is responsible for enforcing financial order and strict economy at every step. GFR 11. It is the duty of every controlling officer DDO to see that all sums dues to the government are promptly credited to the public account. GFR 26. Money due to the government for deposit shall not pass through the hands of departmental officer unnecessarily. Treasury Rule 76. Function of DDO regarding establishment charges. In computerized payroll system, every DDO is required. Number 8. To submit the employee master file creation form, Form Pay 01, on the first appointment of any employee. To submit amendment from Form whenever required. Form Page 02. To check the computerized copy of monthly payroll of his office with the changes submitted by his office and to see that whether the same have been incorporated in the monthly bill or otherwise. Number 4. To examine the monthly expenditure statement of his office and compare it with last month so as to see that whether there is any abnormal increase in the office monthly expenditure. If so, he may get it reconciled immediately with AG/DO office and rectify the error if any. To reconcile the monthly expenditure statement with AG/DO office. To prepare service books, leave account, and loan and advances record of staff. Function of the DDO regarding budget. बजट के मुतालिक DDOs की duties and responsibility. Preparation of the estimates of expenditure for his office. Submission of sanction for new establishment SNE. Preparation the demand of expenditure of his office for the next financial year. Increment of expenditure as per rule. Coordination with the concerned higher level officers, controlling officer. Function of the DDO regarding budget. Monitoring of the budget of his office. All anticipated savings should be surrendered to government immediately they are foreseen without waiting till the close of financial year, that is 13th June. Submission of excess and surrender statement, revised estimate and supplementary grant. Reappropriation of funds. Function of the DDO is collecting officer of the departmental receipts या revenue. Prepare the estimates of receipts of his office. All matters relating to estimation, realization and deposits of receipts. Coordination with the concerned higher level officer. Functions of the DDO regarding cash book. Every DDO should maintain a cash book. All cash transactions should be entered in the cash book as soon as they occur. Cash book be closed and balanced each day and completed, checked by the DDO himself or any other responsible officer other than the cashier. At the end of each month, the DDO should physically verify the cash balance with the book balance and record a signed and dated certificate to that effect. Overwriting in any entry in cash book is strictly prohibited. If any correction is necessary, insert the correct one with red entry with dated initial of the DDO. The DDO should not be allowed to handle any money which does not belong to government. The DDO should prepare and reconcile the bank statement with the passbook at the end of each month. Functions of the DDO regarding procurement of stores. Purchase must be made in most economical manner in accordance with the definite requirement of public service. Store should not be purchased in small quantities. At the same time, care should be taken not to purchase store much in advance of actual requirements, which is likely to prove unprofitable to government. Purchase orders should not be split up just to avoid the necessity for obtaining the sanction of the higher authority. GFR Rule 145 and 146. No expenditure may be incurred without the sanction of the competent authority. Retrospective effect should not be given in financial sanction. GFR 58. A sanction issued by a competent authority has effect from the date of order conveying the sanction. GFR 57. A financial sanction issued in any financial year is always lapsed after the close of that financial year. GFR 59. Functions of the DDO regarding procurement of stores, services and works. Detailed rules regarding public procurement has been given in the Public Procurement Rules 2004, PPRA Rules 2004, KP PPRA Rules. Principle of procurement. The procurement agencies, while making procurement, shall ensure that the requirements are conducted in a fair and transparent manner. The object of procurement brings value for money, and the procurement process is efficient and economical. Open tender system. Open competitive bidding is the principal method of procurement for the procurement of goods, services, and works. The procuring agencies shall engage in open competitive bidding if the cost of the procurement is more than 1 million rupees. Alternate method of procurement. Petty purchase. Petty purchase system is adopted when the value of store is more than 25,000 rupees. Requirement for quotation. This procurement system is adopted when the value of store is below 100,000 rupees. Submission of bids. Bids should be submitted in sealed envelopes. Opening of bid. Bids shall be opened at the time specified in the bidding documents. All bids shall be opened publicly in the presence of the bidder. The procuring agency shall read aloud the unit price and the bid amount and shall record minutes of the bid opening. The attendance of all the bidders should be taken on the attendance sheet. Announcement of evaluation report. Results of the bids evaluation should be announced in the form of report giving justification of acceptance/rejection of the bid. Acceptance of bid. The lowest evaluated bid shall be awarded and make a procurement contract. Misprocurement. Any unauthorized breach of these rules shall amount to misprocurement. Functions of the DDO regarding handling of store and stock taking. On receipt of store, it should be examined, counted, weighted, measured, etc., and taken in the charge of a responsible government officer who should see that the quantities are correct and their quality good and record a certificate to that effect. After this verification, the stock should be taken in the appropriate stock register, GFR 148. A physical verification of all stores should be carried out at least once in every year by the responsible officer other than the storekeeper, GFR 159. A certificate of physical verification of store should be recorded in the stock register with the dated signature of the officer, GFR 159. Functions of the DDO regarding maintenance of subsidiary record. Number 8, cash book, petty cash register, budget control or contingent register, token register / check register, inventory or stock register, service books of establishment, leave account for non-gazetted staff, loan and advances to staff and watch on its recoveries, etc. For detailed instructions, please consult the book of A Handbook for DDO. वीडियो के अख्तिताम पर अल्लाह ताला से दुआ है कि हम सब को और हमारे मुल्क पाकिस्तान को हर किस्म की परेशानियों से दूर रखे और तमाम मुश्किलात को आसान फरमाए। आमीन सुम्मा आमीन। वस्सलाम। थैंक्स फॉर वाचिंग।